Welcome to Mississippi, a state where the vibrant tapestry of life unfolds in countless and captivating forms. Here, the ebb and flow of mighty rivers shape the land, carving their way through ancient forests and fertile plains. Today we venture into this world of natural wonders, a realm teeming with life and brimming with beauty. Join me as we uncover the hidden gems of Mississippi, from its towering forests and shimmering waterways to its bustling coastline and the creatures that call this place home. Our journey begins amidst the lifeblood of Mississippi, its intricate network of rivers and waterways. The mighty Mississippi, a titan among rivers, carves its legendary path along the state's western border. Its waters, a swirling symphony of power and grace, have shaped not only the land but the very history of this region. But Mississippi's aquatic arteries extend far beyond the banks of its namesake river. The Tombigbee, with its languid flow, meanders through the eastern reaches, its waters reflecting the verdant tapestry of the surrounding forests. And then there's the Yazoo, a river shrouded in mystique, its dark waters winding through ancient swamps and bottomland hardwood forests, a haven for creatures that thrive in the shadows. These rivers, each with its own unique character, are the lifeblood of Mississippi, sustaining a rich diversity of life and offering a glimpse into the untamed heart of this southern state. We venture now into the heart of Mississippi's forests, vast emerald kingdoms where towering trees stand as silent sentinels, their branches reaching towards the heavens. Here, in DeSoto National Forest, sunlight filters through a dense canopy of leaves, casting an ethereal glow upon the forest floor. The air is alive with the sounds of nature, a symphony of birdsong and the rustling of leaves as unseen creatures stir in the undergrowth. Further east, the Tombigbee National Forest unfolds, a sprawling wilderness where ancient oaks and towering pines stand shoulder to shoulder, their roots intertwined in the rich soil. And then there's the Magnolia Forest, an iconic symbol of the South. Here the air is thick with the intoxicating fragrance of magnolia blossoms, their white petals unfurling like stars against a backdrop of deep green foliage. These forests, each with its own unique character and charm, are a testament to the enduring power of nature. Our exploration takes us now to the wetlands and swamps, those enigmatic realms where water reigns supreme. Here in the Yazoo Basin, the land merges seamlessly with water, creating a labyrinth of sloughs, bayous, and cypress tupelo swamps. This is a world of hushed stillness, where the only sounds are the gentle lapping of water against the trunks of ancient trees and the calls of wading birds echoing through the mist. Deeper into this watery wilderness lies the Natchez National Wildlife Refuge, a haven for migratory birds and a sanctuary for a remarkable array of plant and animal life. And then there's the Mississippi River Delta, a vast expanse of wetlands where the river finally meets the sea. Here the forces of nature collide, creating a dynamic ecosystem teeming with life. These wetlands, often overlooked and misunderstood, are vital nurseries for countless species and play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of the entire region. Mississippi's wild heart beats strong, its forests, waterways, and coastal areas providing sanctuary to a remarkable array of creatures. White-tailed deer, their coats gleaming in the dappled sunlight, browse silently in forest clearings. Wild turkeys, their plumage a symphony of iridescent colors, strut through the undergrowth, their gobbles echoing through the trees. Bobcats, elusive and stealthy hunters, patrol their territories with an air of quiet confidence. And high in the canopy, the endangered red-cockaded woodpecker, a symbol of resilience, clings to the trunk of a pine tree, its distinctive call a testament to the importance of preserving these precious habitats. But it is during the migratory seasons that Mississippi's skies truly come alive. Flocks of songbirds, their feathers painted in a kaleidoscope of colors, descend upon the state, their melodic songs filling the air. Our journey now takes us to the Gulf Coast, where the land surrenders to the embrace of the sea. Here, along Mississippi's southern border, a symphony of waves crashes against sandy beaches, their rhythmic roar a constant reminder of the ocean's boundless energy. Seagulls soar overhead, their cries mingling with the sound of the surf. The air is thick with the scent of salt and sea, a bracing tonic that invigorates the senses. We venture first to Biloxi, a vibrant coastal city where history and hospitality intertwine. Here, colorful shrimp boats bob gently in the harbor, their nets laden with the day's catch. Further east, Gulfport beckons, its beaches a haven for sunbathers, swimmers and families, building sandcastles at the water's edge. And then there are the Barrier Islands, a chain of pristine islands that stretch along the coast, their dunes sculpted by wind and waves, their beaches a sanctuary for shorebirds and nesting sea turtles. For those seeking adventure and communion with nature, Mississippi offers a wealth of parks and outdoor recreational opportunities. Gulf Island's national seashore, a string of pristine islands stretching along the coast, beckons with its white sand beaches, clear turquoise waters, and opportunities for camping, fishing, and exploring historic forts. The Great River Road, a scenic byway that follows the course of the Mississippi River, winds its way through the state, offering breathtaking views of the river and its surroundings. And for a glimpse into the heart of Mississippi's wetlands, the Sam D. Hamilton Noxubee National Wildlife Refuge, a haven for wildlife and a paradise for bird watchers. Here, amidst the cypress tupelo swamps and bottomland hardwood forests, one can witness the intricate web of life unfold. These parks and natural areas, carefully preserved for future generations, offer a glimpse into the soul of Mississippi, a place where the rhythms of nature still hold sway. Mississippi's climate, a tapestry woven from warm Gulf breezes and the balmy breath of the South, sets the stage for a year-round celebration of nature's beauty. Summers arrive in a blaze of glory, the air thick with humidity, the sun a benevolent dictator in a cloudless sky. This is a time for lazy days spent fishing on quiet lakes, for cooling off in crystal-clear springs, and for listening to the chorus of cicadas as the sun dips below the horizon. Autumn in Mississippi is a spectacle of color, as the leaves of hardwood trees transform into a kaleidoscope of crimson, gold, and russet hues. The air turns crisp and cool, perfect for hiking through the forests or taking a scenic drive along country roads. Winter, though mild, brings a sense of tranquility to the landscape. The pace of life slows, and the natural world seems to hold its breath, waiting for the return of spring. And when spring arrives, it does so with a flourish, blanketing the state in a vibrant tapestry of wildflowers. Mississippi is a botanist's dream, a state where the plant kingdom reigns supreme. From the towering pines and majestic oaks of its forests to the delicate wildflowers that carpet its meadows, Mississippi's flora is as diverse as its landscapes. The southern magnolia, its fragrant white blossoms a symbol of southern hospitality, reigns supreme in gardens and parks across the state. Along the coast, salt-tolerant grasses and shrubs thrive in the sandy soil, their roots anchoring them against the relentless ocean winds. In the wetlands, cypress trees, their knees poking above the waterline, create a surreal and primeval landscape. And in the spring, the state's meadows and forests erupt in a riot of color, as wildflowers of every imaginable hue paint the landscape. Mississippi's story is inextricably intertwined with the natural world. For centuries, Native American tribes lived in harmony with the land, their culture shaped by the rhythms of the seasons and the bounty of the forests, rivers, and coastal waters. The arrival of European explorers and settlers brought new chapters to this story, as the state's natural resources fueled economic growth and shaped its cultural identity. Today, the Natchez Trace Parkway, a scenic byway that follows the ancient path used by Native Americans, offers a glimpse into this rich history. As we travel along this historic route, we are reminded of the enduring connection between humans and the natural world. We see evidence of the past in the remnants of old homesteads, in the ancient mounds built by Native American cultures, and in the stories passed down through generations. As our journey through the natural wonders of Mississippi draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of awe and appreciation for this remarkable state. From its mighty rivers and ancient forests to its vibrant coastline and diverse wildlife, Mississippi is a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. We hope this glimpse into the heart of Mississippi has inspired you to experience its wonders firsthand. Come, discover the magic that awaits in this often overlooked corner of the American South.